Hey guys, Critter here. This video is a response to a question left by Easy Wolf on my other video on setting up the Kelty Noahs Tarp. He wrote, "What is the best setup for a rocky place next to a river with scarce trees and very windy sometimes? I just ordered the same tarp. Thanks." So we're going to go over that for this video. So it's not very windy today. If it was, I'd stake down the windward side first. I'd have it at a little bit of an angle, stake down the windward side, and then start working on the other sides. It's not really windy. I wouldn't even really want to do this with one person in the wind. I would probably take it back into the trees if I could. Tie a slip knot and use a shell through the slip knot. To adjust the pole, I want it just high enough to sit under. A little bit more. So you can see I've picked this big solid rock as part of the anchor. That is going to be one spot I don't have to worry about. It's so big, I've just wrapped right around it, which I never really do, but I didn't tie around it, I just went underneath it. Nothing's going to move that rock. Now that I've got the front and the back held out with a big heavy rock, it's not going to take as much to hold out the sides. Again. I'm going to tie another slip knot around a seashell. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, but I need a bigger rock. for heavier wind like Easy Wolf was talking about, you're going to want to tie out as many guy out points as you can. One thing about this tarp is that it's very durable. And I'm just going to keep going around the whole thing like that. Just a slip knot around a seashell with a heavy rock on it. If I want to adjust it for a view, I can do that too. I can get a stick or something. And I can prop up for a view if the wind dies down. You can see I've got just enough room in here to sit down. And that's not going to keep much weather off me. So it's up to you if you want to raise it up higher. It's not going to be as wind resistant. I could raise up the back a little ways. But this is the most wind resistant shelter. You can really get ways back in here. I could probably sleep here without getting my feet touching the tarp at all in wind and rain. Yeah. I might lay like a little trash bag or something over the top of my sleeping bag right there. But I want to be careful not to have condensation build up. Anyways, thanks for watching.